The 2013 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with the powerful V6 or efficient 4-cylinder engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, front air conditioning, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, automatic climate control, multi-zone climate control. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.